At the end of this course, you'll be a professional Python developer and you'll learn how to use many technologies. At the moment, if you are a beginner and want to get started right away and not worry about different installations, versions, and operating systems, you can use a Python IDE that runs in the cloud. There are many such services, but my favorite one is Repel. So, open up your browser and go to repelit.com. It's free, but I'd advise you to create an account because Repel is not just a simple editor, but a platform that allows you to build and host your coding projects instantly with no setup. All you need is a browser with an internet connection. It has many features including collaboration and sharing. Let me show you how to use it. I'm logging in. Once I'm logged in, it will take me to my homepage. I can create a new Repel, which is in fact a Python project, by just clicking on this blue button with a plus sign on it. Now it's prompting me to select the programming language I'd like to use. I find it useful also because you can code in almost any programming language, not only in Python. Okay, I'm gonna select Python from this drop-down list. Note that there are also templates with pre-built code in them to start easily. I'm selecting Python and I'm giving it a name. Now it's creating the Repel and it's taking me to the coding environment. This is the coding environment. What we see here are the project settings section, a file tree, the run button, the editor, a console, and the shell. You can save your files, create new folders, and organize your project as you wish. You normally write your Python code in the editor, click the run button, and see the output at the console. For example, name equals Andre. And then print a pair of parentheses and hello name. Okay, and I'm clicking run. And this is the output. Another alternative to Repel is glot.io, which is an open source service that allows you to run code in different programming languages. Okay, that's all. In the next lectures, I'll show you how to install Python locally and how to install a professional IDE to run your Python code. Note that at the end of the day, it doesn't matter where you write and run your Python code, as long as it runs without errors and you have understood all the concepts well.